In this lesson, we're going to talk about variables in JavaScript. What are variables? Variables are containers for storing data. You can declare variables in JavaScript using those three keywords: var and let and const. Those three keywords. Okay, but what is the rules of declaring variables in JavaScript? I'm gonna show you. You can type var my name equals to HeroDev. Now you have stored this HeroDev string in this variable called my name. Let's create another one using let. Let's make let x equals to 5. So what's the value of x? X equals to 5. You can console.log them to make sure of it. Console.log x. Now you can see here in the console the x equals to 5. What's the value of x? The value of x is 5. You can use the third keyword and it's the shortcut for constant. So let's use it. Const y equals to 10. So what is the value of y? Let's test it. Let's put here y. The value of y is 10. You can sum them. X plus y, 15. How did we get those 15? We just add the x, and the x contains 5, plus y, and y contains 10. So 5 plus 10 equals to 15. But I want to know what is the difference between those three keywords, var and let and const. I'm gonna tell you. If you want to declare variables that you can change, you can use var or let. But you cannot use const, because when you declare const, you cannot change it. I'm gonna show you. If we see here, var my name equals to HeroDev. I can update it if I just do this. My name equals to new name. Now, what is the value of my name? The value of my name is new name, not HeroDev, because it got updated. So if you console.log my name, look, we have here new name, not HeroDev, but new name. And x is the same. For example, we can make x equals to 20. Now, if we console.log x, it will be equals to 20, not 5, because we have updated it. But with const, you cannot do this with const. If you just type y equals to 30, for example, oops, we got here an error. Cannot assign to y because it's a constant. Constant, you cannot change it. You can change let and var, but you cannot change constants. So always use const if the value shouldn't be changed, and use let or var if you want your variable to be changed. So let's delete this line of code because it makes error. Is this the only different? No, we have another different. What is this different? I'm gonna tell you. First, var is a function scope. Let is a block scope. Const is a block scope as well. I don't want to distract you or make things difficult for you, so I'm gonna describe those three things, function scope and block scope, later. So don't worry of those three things. I just want to make sure that you learned from this lesson just two things. Number one, what is the value of this variable? For example, here the value is HeroDev. And here, what's the value? The value is new name. What is the value of x? The value of x here is 5, but it got updated and become 20. What is the value of y? The value of y equals to 10. What is the value of z? The value of z is 100. That's the first thing that I want you to know or to learn from this lesson. The second thing is var and let, you can update their values, like here and here. But const, you cannot update it. You cannot make y equals to 40. You cannot do this. But with let, you can do it. You can make z equals to 15, or you can make it equals to string, for example, hello, whatever you want, and you can log it, console.log z. Now you can see here in the console, hello, and it's the value of z. It was 100 and we updated it and became hello.